The viral sensation is here. The Lenovo Moto Razr 60 in dreamy macaron colors. A foldable masterpiece with a silky smooth finish and that luxury ultra vibe. Dual full-function displays. Binge, groove, and snap selfies, hands-free at 90 degrees. Fashion meets innovation, and right now it's yours for just 2,600 RMB with student perks. Meet the Lenovo Moto ID60S Pantone Edition, where technology meets pure art. Wrapped in Pantone's trending colors and soft nano leather, its elegance you can feel. The 6.67-inch 1.5K eye care display delivers studio-grade color accuracy, certified by Pantone itself, perfect for artists, designers, and students who crave color perfection. Lightweight, durable, and stylish. This is not just a phone, it's a fashion statement with military toughness.